Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pretty Africa. So today is nimetoka job, but I had to do this because I'm sending this phone tomorrow morning to the owner, my younger sister. So today I'm unboxing with you guys this Oppo A77s. So this is one of the best Oppo phones that you can ever own because the charging speed, everything. Yani simu anywho, staki mambo mingi, so tufungue hii simu tuone tu, nisianze tu kuwapea emotion. Tufungue hii simu tuone. 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM. Na RAM you can expand it by 8. You can imagine, so you can just get up to 16GB RAM. Kama wewe ni mtu unapenda ku game ama I took it in the color orange, so I'm supposed to show you the contents of the box, but I can't wait to just start with the phone. So let me open this phone real quick, real fucking quick. So as you can see, that is the phone. I'm just going to open it and set it with you guys. So my sister is going to be really happy. Wow. Good things. And also bought some accessories for it. Let us see. I know I'm deflecting, but that quick startup, I even forgot about it. So it's hello, my camera is a bit ghetto. So hello, English, select region, select Kenya, where you at? Yes, we agree. This one is really cool. Any simu, buttons. If she wants gestures, she just have to do that by herself. But me, I'm a buttons person. I don't know. But I'm supposed to keep this video short and sweet. So so there is simu yetu. I know you first want to go to the camera first. And it's night time. Well, hey simu, this baby is going to feel herself. Yani ndio hii picha yenye nimechukua with it just right now. My camera is not cameraing, but this one is doing the thing. Najua umeona kajuice kangu hapa. I'm sipping. Nimetoka kublend juice hizi. I'm tired. So it is the only thing I can do right now. What? Actually, this is really nice. Ini supu, si wadangaji wase. Yani, sijui ni ring light ama ni nini, I don't get it, but I hope to get whatever I'm trying to say, but so what's in the box? So let's find out what's in the box. So so this first box here, it has a clear case, a warranty card, and a quick guide, a safety guide, and the phone pin. The SIM card pin. You get it. Najua mnaelewa hizi vitu bwana. You know you guys are getting. So now inside this box now is a 33 watts super VOOC charger. This one charges the phone super fast, and the fact that it has 5 layers of protection, Oppo got you. And then kuna hii cable yake type C, which is also VOOC enabled. That is the best thing about Oppo phones. Easy chargers zake ni VOOC, iko na 5 layers of protection, ina protect kila kitu. I don't like kusikia vitu vingi, but it is something really good. So how much does this go for? Najua mnangoja hiyo part. So you guys know. So this one goes for 30k. This is 30k, but ukiniona nyuma ya tent, can do something for you, something small. So if you need it, you can just contact me. Right now I'm just talking my sister's phone. I can't believe I did this. This is so cute. And you actually don't need a cover because in leather fiberglass, it's called leather fiberglass material. And the camera, hey, what? Hey, imagine you see kuna camera inakaa hivyo guy. You have to do what you're doing. So, nataka kuiweka accessories zake. So I bought my sister this cute cover. Najua katapenda. Tika atapenda. Look at that. This is really cute. Yo, my plug is just on another level. So yeah. Wacha tukavalisha tuone venye katakaa. Tukavalisha hapa ndani. Ha! Yo, this is just going to be the cutest. See mtu yatajifeel. Yo. Wow, guys, look at that. Hey. Where? Hey. Hey. Hata sikuwa nimeweka night mode na ilikuwa inatoa hivyo vizuri, guy. Yo, and the filters zenye niko nayo, guy. Hey. Hey. Yeah, namekea screen protector privacy. Yeah, huyu ni msee anaendanga pale kampo, anatembea ndani ya mask, so you can just imagine. Akina tukio tabia, yani, okay, sichuki. I am guilty. Kwa sababu, you just find yourself doing it. Mtu ameketi karibu na wewe, lakini ameamua kuonyesha vitu zake. Ameamua kuonyesha vitu zake, wanataka mtu kwa mwingine alikuwa anapashana na landlady au ni landlord wao. Yo, that was embarrassing. So I'm about to put this on. I wish I could place the camera somewhere where you can see me doing this. Yes, privacy. Tena mkisoma kwenye sister wangu ananiambia kwa mat. Kama ni kuanganya. Yeah. So, come on. Yo. Yes. Let's do this. Let's do this. 10,000 years later, I am back with the phone looking all clean. Yeah. Yo, it's always a hassle, but yeah, finally did it. So yeah, hey, I can't get over this cover. Actually, this cover is so cute. I think it is like girlish and everything. I know she's going to love it. So yeah. Bam. Look at the back camera. Look at it. I love the design. This is not something cheap. Like, this is something that is carefully thought of. You can see. Are you seeing like the roundish things? You can see. Can just imagine me. Hello. Yeah, who's calling? Oh, hello. You can see. Yeah, this is going to be really cute for her. Yeah, I know she's going to love it. Absolutely. In my honestly speaking, this is a 10 over 10 minus 0. Nothing. Ata 0 ipatikani. Like, hey, iPhone iko fiti. So, now we're back. My sister's phone. As much as nataka tu kushinda tu nikizubaia. Yeah. So, wacha nikapakie so that she can go get her phone. Yeah, I need to make sure so that she can have it. Yeah, by Saturday. The Saturday atakuwa tu na flaws. Hey, I protected me. I want to get to vizuri. Hey, GoPro. So yeah, baby phone. No. So tukiweke ndani ya hii karatasi. Sipaki vitu kienyeji hata kama it is going home. Still. Tutampaki kienyeji. Okay, what is happening? Bas. Dumb. Power off. Nice. This is nice. Absolutely nice. Oh shit. She wanted me to send some of my photos to her phone. Yeah, so but anywho's, this is the kind of packing I'll just do. So So I'll leave her. Supposed to take out this warranty because you're in mali yangu. Yep. So these are her things all together, and yes, yeah, done. Yeah, so normally this is the packaging I will do. Yeah, so the phone is just packed back into its box and everything, but now this is not normal, so I'm just going to end like this video here so I can just enjoy my sister's phone for a bit. Yeah, Nakava is just so cute. Yo. Yeah, so I'm going to send her some of my pics and videos and some of hers that I have. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So I'll see you in my next video. This one was just all about phoning, but yeah, I'll see you in my next video. And kindly subscribe, comment, share, and all that. Yes, if you want to comment next video, my people, let me just go take a shower and come back and do this thing, and I'll see you in my next one. Cheers. Toodles.